Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on a Tuesday, August the 18th, 2020. We have an additional with extra Sudokus. Thank you, publisher, because yesterday we didn't have any extra Sudokus in the newspaper. The publisher has not printed any extra Sudokus. So we are very pleased, publisher. Anyway, today in this additional we have here a Sudoku with 1 star, a 2 stars, a 4 stars, a binary, and a tectonic puzzle. So total of 5 extra Sudokus. And the first one I will start will be a 1 star Sudoku. And this one will be number 1361. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. So you have an indication of the difficulty level. We have here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 14. Plus 6 is 20, 23. Plus 2 is 25. Plus 2 is 27. 27 printed numbers. Alright, so let's get started. I see here in this big square 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here. Oh, there we see here, and no 8. The 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then wow. Let me see. 5, 6, 7. Alright. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 5 and 6. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And now 3 numbers left in this big square. The 4 is missing, the 1 is missing, and the 6 is missing. Well, the 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 6 goes to these 2 boxes, into these 2 boxes. Same with the 4, because we have a 4 here, so no 4 and no 6 in this box. So the 4 and the 6 goes in these 2 boxes. I mark them for you so it's easier to follow. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. So here we have 3 missing numbers. The 1, the 3, and the 5. Well, we see here the 1 and the 3, so no 1 and a 3 in this box. So 1 box left for the 5. The 1 and the 3 goes in these 2 boxes. I marked them for you so it's easier to follow. These 3 missing numbers in this row or in this big square, those numbers are the 2, the 4, and the 7. We have a 4 and a 2 here, so no 4 and a 2 in this box. Let me place it in those 2 boxes, the 2 and a 4. That means 1 digit left for the 7. Alright. Alright. And now we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the 3rd column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the 3rd row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1. How about the number? Let me see. 1 in this last row. 1 in that row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 1. How about the 6? 6 in this column, 6 in the second column, so in the 3rd column, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then I cannot. The 7 in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here or could be there. That means in the first column, we have a 7 in one of these 2 boxes. In the second column, we have a 7 over there. So in the 3rd column, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 7. How about the number? 6. Yeah, should be a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 2 numbers should be the 8 and the 9. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 3 boxes. We see there an 8. No 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. Then 8 and a 9. So the 9 should be there. Yeah. 2, 6, 6, 6, 6. choose 6. How about the number 4? Can I fill this? No, I cannot fill this 4. In this big square, one of the 4 missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. In this big square, one of the missing number is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8. No 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. So in this row, we have an 8 in one of these 2 boxes. In that row, we have an 8 over there. So in the row between, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 9. 9. 9. These 2 boxes could be 9. How about eight, 8. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 3. So in this column, we have a 1 and a 3. The 1 and the 3 cannot be in these 2 boxes in this column. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. I mark them for you, 1 and a 3. That means the other 2 boxes should be the number in this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. 4 and 9. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and then 9 goes there. That means we have a 4 now, so this box cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be a 2 and this should be a 4. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the 3rd row. So in the 2nd row, the row between, the only place for the 4 should be there. Yes. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4. No 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. That means in this row, we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. In the last row, we have a 4 over there. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4, therefore should be there. And then, these 3 numbers are the numbers 7, 2, and 9. No, I cannot fill this yet. I need a number more. 9 cannot be here. Can here 3 missing numbers now. 9 in the middle column, the 6, and the 9, 6, and the 3. 3. Alright. Let me think. 6. Yes, The third row. The third row, we have 3 missing numbers. The 1, the 6, and the 9. We see here the 1 and the 9. So in this box, cannot be a 1 and a 9. So 1 digit left should be the 6. 1 and the 9 goes in these 2 boxes. I cannot mark them yet, or I cannot fill this yet. 1 and the 9, we have here also 1 and the 9. That means these 2 boxes in this column, 1 and the 9, these 2 should be the 2 and the 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 numbers, the 3 and the 7, no, I cannot fill this yet, 3 and a 7. These 2 numbers in this row, the 9 and the 2, we have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 7, we have a 9 here, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now I can fill these 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 7 and 3. We have a 7 now, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and... No, we have a 2. The 3 and the 4. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this can be a 4 anymore. This should be a 6, and this should be the 4. 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 6 and 3. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes in there. How about these 2 numbers now in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8? Can I fill this yet? 2 and 8? No, I need to wait. 2 and 8. Here the 1 and the 9. 1 and the 9. How about 6 in this row, 6 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. We have a 3 now, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 1, and this should be the 3. We have a 3 now, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be the 1. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 9. 2 numbers left, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. 1 number left in this row for the number 2. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 19 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. A lot of thinking, but we have solved this. Do you think so? Do you like this Sudoku? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this video, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku that will be a 2 stars Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.